Here's a short introduction to one of the best plugins out there for WordPress sites. This is called UpdraftPlus, and basically what we can do with this free version of this plugin, we can create backups of our site, and we can save them straight into the cloud. As you can see here in my settings, I've registered via Google, so all my backups through UpdraftPlus are saved there. And as you can see, I've scheduled it as follows. So every day UpdraftPlus automatically creates the backup, and we save 2 instances of these. So yesterday and today, and it's easy to restore the site to its previous state from here. Everything works really well. I've never had any problems with this plugin, and I strongly advocate using this on pretty much every WordPress site. And as you can see, it's so easy to use. It doesn't even need a tutorial. All you have to do is sign in to Google, set up the schedule, boom, that's it.